No matter what type of video you are producing, whether that is live streaming, game playing, or producing just straight up video content for YouTube, Facebook, etc., the audio is almost more important than the quality of the video. That's why I wanted to try this Jounivo USB microphone, or according to Amazon, it's called the USB Recording Microphone Computer PC Podcast Condenser Cardioid Mic with mute button and LED indicator for laptop, Mac, PS4, vocal, podcasting, Skype, YouTube, games, and streaming. The model number is JV603 Pro. They sell different versions of this microphone. It comes in a cardioid pickup pattern, which is this one, cardioid with the volume knob. This one has the volume knob. It's not so much the volume knob for you to listen, but it's the volume, it's the output from the microphone. Now, you're listening to this microphone completely uncompressed, unedited, and I have the gain all the way up on the microphone, so the knob is cranked clockwise maximally. The other microphone in this series is an omnidirectional microphone. This is a cardioid pickup pattern that you're listening to right now, and not the omnidirectional. And I intend to use this for webcasts and webinars and things like that. So I don't want the microphone to pick up the surrounding areas. I want it to pick up what is in front of the microphone. As typically, for most people, your use application is probably going to be requiring a cardioid pickup pattern. And then, of course, they have an omnidirectional one with the output control. I would recommend getting the one that has the output control so that you can control how much gain the microphone is putting out to your recording source. In this case, most likely your PC or notebook. Okay, the quality of the sound is most important. So I'm about 6 inches away from the microphone, and this is what it sounds like when I'm speaking to the front of the microphone. The power of the cardioid pickup pattern is that it should reject sound from the side of the microphone and also behind the microphone. So let's try this out. And during this demonstration, you'll be able to hear the handling noise as I rotate this microphone around. So this is what it sounds like when I'm speaking to it on axis to the front of the microphone. Now I'm going to rotate this microphone 90 degrees, and this is what it sounds like when I'm talking to the side of the microphone approximately one foot away. And this is what it sounds like when I'm speaking to the microphone 180 degrees from the front of the microphone. This is the 180 degree off-axis sound. And now I'm speaking to the other side of the microphone. This is what it sounds like speaking to the side of the microphone. And now I'm rotating the microphone so it's 100% on axis again, and this is what it sounds like. Again, the gain is at a 100% maximal gain on the output with this dial. So hopefully you get a gist of how this microphone sounds in a natural environment. Now, when I have the microphone on the table and I adjusted the microphone so it's still in front of my mouth, I'm going to twist the microphone and let you hear what it sounds like. So when I'm turning the microphone right now on the table, turning back and forth, so you'll hear a little bit off-axis sound, and now it's on axis, now it's off-axis. I hope you can hear the difference and maybe the handling noise. I'm going to be quiet and I'm going to turn the microphone and see if you hear any noise. All right, so I hope this is helpful. And one last feature this microphone has is that it has a button which allows you to press it and you can mute the microphone like what I'm doing. Now I just turn it back on. So hopefully you get a gist of how this microphone works and how it sounds. And good luck in your decision. Bye-bye.